Chahi ani pharaba Manipur ki Irang Asi Center na Loisinba Ngamdrabanina Nouna Meekhal Pangthoktuna meeyam ki anouba Leingak ama thambagi tangai phadaba leire haina MPCC ki President MLA K Meghachandra na phongdorakli wafam asi Manipur da thokliba Irang Asi ngasi chahi ani mapung phabaga mari leinana New Delhi da leiba AICC ki headquarter da pangthokpa paugi mifam amada mahakna phongdokkibani AICC ki Manipur in charge MP Saptagiri ulaka yauna pangthokpa paugi mifam aduda MLA K Meghachandra na hai ngasi chahi ani mapung pharaba Manipur gi Irang Asi Loisinba center gi maikaidagi matik chaba khongthang amata laukhalakpa udri chahi asigi February tang 19 da Manipur da President's role thamlakhrabasu ngasi fawba ahongba amata leite Manipur gi Irang Asi da Prime Minister na meeyam gi pukning wakhal phathanaba amadi meeyam gi awabada saruk yabagi wafam ama fawba phongdokpa laikhidri hena nungaitribadi Manipur da nongmata oirabasu Prime Minister masa laktuna meeyam gi awabada saruk yadaba asini masina takpadi Manipur meeyam asi center na karisu oina khande haibani pumnamak asi oiduna su opposition gi leader Rahul Gandhi na Manipur da ahumlak laktuna awasai theng mayok nariba meeyam ga unaduna pukmen pawminaba laikre Irang Asi gi waroi sinoiba yagadaba mongda dialogue tawdaba amade constitutional machinery sing fail oibadagi phibam asi yaurakpani hauziki phibam asida center na Manipur meeyam gi yaifanaba tawrakani haibagi thazaba leitre maramaduna Congress party gi apambade Manipur da Nouna Meekhal Pangthoktuna meeyam gi mihutna Leingakpa government ama sembane karigumba Congress party na Leingak semlabade Manipur gi Irang Asi athubada Loisinba ngamgani haibagi thazaba lei lamdamasida laiminariba furup khudingmakna BJP gi Leingakta karisu thajaningai oidre haibasi aikhoi punna khangminnabagi matam oire haina MLA K Meghachandra na makataki.
If there is no dialogue, if the constitutional machineries are failed, then what should we expect more and more? We want to have a fresh mandate because the double engine government fails to administer in the state, and also after the president rule they failed to bring the peace and the normalcy. So there is no more trust to the BJP government. We don't have any trust to the Narendra Modi government, double engine government. Even if there is president rule, we don't have any trust on it. And we demand this fresh mandate so that Congress, we believe Congress, if the Congress government comes over there in the state, we can bring peace and normalcy in the state of Manipur. That's why we have trust to the Congress party, our leaders Rahul Gandhi ji, Mallikarjun Kharge ji, and Saptagiri ji, so that we demand fresh election, so that we can bring back our normalcy in the state.